Is your roof leaking? Damaged tiles? Don't wait, small issues can turn into expensive repairs. T.Smith Roofing has you covered. At T.Smith Roofing, we provide expert roofing solutions across Walsall, Cannock, Lichfield, and beyond. From roof repairs, flat roofing and re-roofing to chimney work and home renovations, we do it all. We specialize in roof repairs and re-roofing, flat roofing and EPDM rubber systems, fascias, soffits and guttering, chimney repairs and lead work, house extensions and renovations. Our skilled team ensures long-lasting, high-quality results, on time and within budget. But don't just take our word for it, here's what our customers say.
Fantastic service, quick, professional, and no more leaks.
Sarah, Walsall.
Highly recommended, reliable and affordable roofing work.
John, Lichfield. Need a reliable roofer? Don't wait. Get a free quote today. Call us now at 01543 322 672 or visit tsmithroofingltd.co.uk. T.Smith Roofing, quality you can trust. Service you can rely on.